Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy, and in this video, I'm going to explain how to sign up for micro-tutoring through GOHacademy. So first, you may be asking, what is micro-tutoring? Well, these are short sessions, usually 15, 20, 30-minute sessions that are designed to help teachers answer specific questions from the class or to go through the structure of the open responses. These are meant to be very specific, very targeted sessions and also help teachers manage their finances. You can do these in 30-minute chunks to help budget out your time. To register for micro-tutoring, you go to the GOHacademy website at GOHacademy.com. And from here, you want to go to the button that says Tutoring, right below the video. I'm going to double press this button that says Tutoring. It's going to bring you to GOHacademy's one-to-one micro-tutoring page, and it's from here you can read about our tutoring, the difference between a teacher consultation and micro-tutoring. At the bottom of the page, you're going to see the registration form. This is something you have to fill out before we schedule the time. Put all your contact information in. Leave us a message on what exam you need help with, what class you're currently in, or if you've ever attended a class. Once you fill out this form, remember to press send, and we'll go from there. All right, team, check out our micro-tutoring. If you have any questions, let GOHacademy know. You can call us at 617-669-4481, or you can email us at info@GOHacademy.com. My name is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. I want to wish you a wonderful day. Take care, team. Bye-bye.